I'm so good at waiting.
As far back as I can.
Another one.
I just feel so weak. No one knows the pain I see when I'm all alone. Now that you're gone.
All right, that's all.
Thank you, man.
So today we're staying at the Crockfords Hotel at Resorts World in Las Vegas. So Crockfords is actually one of 3 hotels that make up the Resorts World Hotel overall, and it actually occupies the top floors of Resorts World. So I paid $400 after resort fee and the tax, $400 altogether for the one night here in the standard room. This is the standard room that you get here, and the Crockfords is known for having the most high-end luxury rooms in Resorts World.
Okay, Grant, I need you to do me a favor.
What?
I need you to lay on that bed and let me know how good it feels.
Okay.
Okay?
Right now?
Yeah, right now.
Right now?
With the camera, yeah.
Ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Ah! Oh, that probably wasn't good. Was it?
I mean, I didn't say jump, but okay. Okay, do a pillow test, come on.
Yeah, I'll give it a 10.
Really? You're just saying that?
No, it's like nice and soft, and it like hugs your face.
So I've stayed here before. I stayed in the Conrad section, and I booked not a standard room, I booked a nicer room, one that was I think like 1,000 square feet. It had a whole living room area and a bar, and I can't remember off the top of my head what it was called, but I had a great time, great experience here, and I showed as much as I could of the overall experience for Resorts World. But I definitely thought it was worth showing the Crockfords side. At the time of filming my first Resorts World video, the Crockfords actually wasn't finished and it wasn't open. So I'm happy that it's open now. I'm happy to be here. And in addition to the rooms, I wanted to show you guys something that I didn't get to show the first time, which was on the 66th floor. The very tip-top floor of Resorts World is a beautiful bar called the Starlight on 66. And so we're gonna show you that beautiful bar. Also, one more thing about the Crockfords rooms that are different and unique are the high ceilings. Whoop. Very tall ceilings, look. Something you only get on the Crockfords room. Tone this down a little bit. Okay, so upon entry of this room, they give you a few things. So number one, they give you a notepad. So I always like notepads in rooms, that's cool. This is a guest services directory. So all sorts of information about the place. Wine. No, this isn't wine. What is this? Okay, I don't know what this one is, but there's papers in here and a really nice pen. This talks about the wine. Fine wines and gourmet foods since 1968. Now this is something very unique. This is the room key. I'm sure you gathered that from the clips I showed earlier in this video, but this is the room key. It's the size of my thumb, 2 of my thumbs. Very cute. And something very unique that they also do is they have this. They give you this key, a physical real key, as a souvenir. Look at this. Huh? That's a nice little touch. This little guy that's attached to it actually is functional. This can get you up and down on the elevators, and I believe also into the room as well. Yeah, but this key is solely just for souvenirs, so that's awesome. I've never had a souvenir like that. So thanks, Crockfords. I can't talk today.
Oh,
So this room actually comes with a beautiful looking espresso machine. Look at it. Look at it now. Look at it.
It's coffee time.
So I often get recognized in Vegas, whether it's tourists, locals, or even people that work at the resorts, but for whatever reason, in Resorts World, literally half of the staff members recognize me. I don't know what it is, I really don't, but it makes me like this place a lot more, to be honest with you.
That's a cool art.
Level 2.
We're looking for the spa/fitness center now. So the spa is closed right now. We just made it to the fitness center.
Ooh, I can get behind this. That's good. That's cool. I like the punching bag. That's my favorite part.
This place really is amazing. High class luxury. It makes you feel like you're a god. I mean, look at this. Look at this.
I'm not sure what this is about though. Don't know what the meaning of this. Why don't they have shoes on?
There's even a little room right here dedicated for rapid COVID testing. They have everything here. The globe looks a little different today. This globe is actually a big video wall, so they can display whatever they want on there.
Okay, so this is a normal looking clothing store, right? Normal looking. Whoop! And boom. I don't know what this is. The mirror is quite dirty.
We just spent some time in a salon that has a bar in it. It's right in the front, like 100 feet away from the front entrance of Resorts World, called Misbehave. They were very, very courteous to us. They were super nice. They made us a drink. Yeah, if you're into salons and pedicures and getting haircuts unlike me, and or nails done, and you want to have a drink while you're doing it, that's the spot. Resorts World Misbehave. Check it out. We are heading upstairs to the 66th floor to go to the bar here. It's called the Starlight Lounge. Also, can we just admire Greta's dress right now? Very nice. So the rooftop bar you need to make reservations for, and it's also a 2-drink minimum per person. We're having a drink again, and Greta got a cocktail, a nice little margarita cocktail thing, and I got an interesting beer. Check this out. This right here is a Buddha beer. It's called the Lucky Buddha. Never heard of this before. Figured probably the best drink for me. Whew, that was pretty fun.
Yeah! I'm so good at waiting!
I lose every time. You win every time. That's crazy.
Okay, so night recap. After the bar, we decided to do a little bit of gambling. Greta put in 30 bucks in a slot and lost it in 5 seconds. Then I picked the slot and I won like $267, I think, pretty quickly. And so I wanted to play some blackjack with my earnings, so I took 100 of that to play blackjack on the tables. They don't have electronic blackjack, which I love because I can film playing that. But anyway, I lost that 100 on blackjack in 3 quick hands. So I'm up 130, Greta's down 30, but I'm gonna give her 30 to make up for her loss. So we're all good, we're all even. Really good night here at Crockfords and Resorts World. See you tomorrow. So we have to check out now, but I had an amazing stay here. I love it. This place is a hotel within a hotel, essentially. It's kind of like Nomad is to Park MGM, and Nobu is to Caesar's Palace. Little, hotels within hotels. Crockfords has its own lobby area. It's connected to Conrad, but it's like behind it. You have to go through double doors to get to it. It's private, so it really gives you like a more private experience. In addition to their lobby, they have their own entrance too, which is kind of more secluded, it's smaller. Also, Crockfords and Conrad, and I'm pretty sure the Hilton as well, all three have their own bars at the entrance area. In the lobby check-in area, there's a bar in each one. And that's really, really cool. It's a really nice thing if you're waiting to be picked up or waiting for a friend and you want to grab a drink or whatever you got to do, and you want more of a chilled environment, less people. They have that. It's something I haven't seen at many of the other resorts. So that's really unique, really cool. Big thumbs up from Pomsey. And thank you guys for watching. Hope you have a good day. And that's it. I got to go home and on to the next one. Bye-bye.